Hi guys, John Richards here. In this video, we're going to talk about how to start working out at the gym for beginners. That's something that's pretty tough when you first started. I can remember, it was probably about 30 years ago now, and I used to work at a place right around the corner from a Gold's Gym, and I'd pass it every day. And I can remember back then I was still partying a lot, and I was really out of shape, and I didn't feel good about myself, and I just got divorced, and I knew that I needed to stop at that gym, and I would pass it every day. And I just had fear. I didn't know what to do because, you're going to Gold's Gym. First of all, it's kind of a bodybuilding gym, so I was kind of picking the wrong kind of gym to go to, but I went in, and I think what happened, I got a big enough why. So one of the things you want to do before you start is really have a why. What's going to motivate you to go there every day? Because you can't go every now and then. You got to get a consistent plan if you really want to work out. If you want to lose weight and you want to start feeling good about yourself. So sit down and think about what I would do. I would write 10 reasons why you want to go to that gym, why you want to start working out, and then focus on getting it down to 3. The 3 that'll really make things happen. And a lot of times, your reasons aren't what they really are. So what I mean by that, I want to get in shape. That's not a reason. Why do you want to get in shape? Okay? Because I want to feel better. Why is that important to you? Because I want to live longer. Why is that important to you? I'm tired of being alone. You see what I'm saying? Ask that question 7 times. That's called the 7 levels of why. And what it'll do is it'll help you get really to the root reason, the root cause, what you're wanting to do that for. So what are the reasons you do this? The 3 reasons. Why are you going to do this? Okay? Now, secondly, you got to have some kind of a plan. The great thing about when I went to Gold's Gym is they offered something called a 12-week plan. Okay? Which I knew what I was going to do every day. I knew what my plan was going to do. I knew what my goal was. They weighed me. They did body fat measurements. You got to start somewhere. One of the things that I've noticed with the gym I go to now, there's a lot of people that come in and they don't have a clue what they're doing. And, and so they're just from one machine to another with no rhyme or reason what they're doing. And that's not the way you want to do this, unless it's just socializing that you're looking for. But if you're looking for, you're going to the gym as a beginner and you're trying to get in shape, you want to feel better about yourself, you want to have some kind of a plan. So what I do is I do a 90-day plan, okay? So when I go in, I know where I want to be in 90 days. That's my goal. That's my outcome. And then I create a process to get there. So I know I'm going to eat clean 6 days per week, allow myself 1 free day on Saturday, and I'm going to work out at the gym 4 days per week on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, whatever it is. And then I'm going to end every weight workout with 30 minutes of cardio. So those are my 3 process goals. So I know if I do that, and if I schedule it in my calendar and I execute on that, I will hit my outcome goal. And the biggest thing is you want to make sure you go no matter what. You got to hold your feet to the fire. You got to be consistent over time to get the result. Because the worst thing you could do is go 2 or 3 days knowing you're not getting a result and then quit. So when you go to the gym as a beginner and how to start going to the gym as a beginner, you got to make sure that you got to have a strong enough why. Okay, why are you going? You have to have a 12-week plan or a 90-day plan or a yearly plan, whatever it is, maybe a weekly plan, a monthly plan, but have some kind of a plan that you're going to execute and then execute. And then you'll start enjoying it. Over 30 years, I go 6 days a week now. I enjoy it. And man, when I went in the first time, I felt terrible. I didn't feel good about myself at all. But as you start losing weight, as you start getting in better shape, you're more motivated to go, and then it becomes a habit. So if you can get yourself to go to the gym over time, 66 days, because that's what it takes to create a habit. And I know you're saying, well, it's 4 days a week. Well, it's 4 times, however many weeks it takes to hit 66 days. If you do that, you'll have a habit. Like once I get done with these videos this morning, I'm going to the gym. I do that 6 days a week. I can't wait to get there. I love working out. That's what will happen. So again, have a strong why, have a 90-day plan or a 12-week plan, and then go no matter what. Hey, if you guys like this, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Make sure you comment. Tell me what you guys do. Make sure you share this with anybody else who can use it, because Everybody's got to start somewhere, even if you're a beginner. And hey, make sure you comment. Man.